Hello students, welcome to the SST classroom, and today here I am with you with the quiz of social science. Economics chapter number 1, the story of village of Palampur, or the factors of production. First question, which is not a non-farm activity? Shopkeeping, transport, manufacturing, sewing. Which is not a non-farm activity? Answer is sewing. Which one is not a non-farm activity? Sewing. This one is not a non-farm activity. Why? Sewing means beej bona. Shopkeeping, transport and manufacturing. All of these are non-farm activity, means these activities do not require any farm. That is why we called it non-farm activity. And sowing means beej bona, it requires a field. So it is called a non-farm activity. Next, what are raw materials and money in hand called? What are raw materials and money in hand called? Working capital, fixed capital, physical capital, human capital. What is the correct answer? Working capital. Why? Working capital means which is used again and again. Raw material means whenever we do the production of anything, we make anything, we need raw material. And money is required every time whenever we do the production. Fixed capital, it do not require raw material frequently. So the answer is working capital. Next, which one of the following is not a requirement for production of goods and services? Which one of the following is not a requirement for production of goods and services? Answer is rainfall. Why? Because rainfall is not required for production of goods and services. Land, good education and physical capital, all of these things as per the chapter. Think about as per the chapter, students, that rainfall is not required for the good production and services. Next question, what is the side effect of green revolution? What is the side effect of green revolution? It made farmers ineffective. Second option, it pushed farmers into debt. Third, it reduced soil fertility. Fourth, it enhanced the soil fertility. What is the correct answer? Third, it reduced soil fertility, because we are talking about the drawback. When we use excessive amount of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, what happens? Soils reduce their fertility. So this is the side effect of green revolution. Next, jowar and bajra are zaid crops, kharif crops, rabi crops, all of these. What is the correct answer, students? The answer is kharif crops. Jowar and bajra are the kharif crops. Next, question number 6. Which of the following is a fixed capital? Seeds, clay, tools, yam. Seeds, clay, tools, yam. Which of the following is a fixed capital? Fixed capital means which is not required to buy again and again. The answer is tools. What is the answer? Answer is tool, because when we buy a tool, it do not require to buy it again and again. If a farmer buy a tool, if farmer do not require to buy the tool again whenever he do the production. Suppose जैसे उसने फार्मिंग करी वीट की, हाँ वीट की फार्मिंग करने के बाद अगर वो राइस की फार्मिंग करेगा तो क्या वो टूल्स दोबारा से खरीदेगा? नो, he do not require it for a longer time period. That's why it is fixed. Next, question number 7. Which of the following is an example of working capital? Which of the following is an example of working capital? Raw materials, tools, buildings, machines. What is the answer? The correct answer is raw material. Why? Because working capital means which required after every production. So raw material is required, tool is not required, building is not required after every production, and machine is also not required. So what is the remaining one? Raw material. Raw material is the correct answer. Next, which is the most abundant factor of production in India? Which is the most abundant factor of production in India? Equipment, land, capital, labor. Abundant means ज़्यादा, in more quantity. What is the correct answer? Labor. Labor is the most abundant factor of production in India, because labor is found in a large portion, because the population is very high. Next one. The high-yielding variety HYV seeds were introduced to Indian farmers as a result of. When and how these seeds were introduced in India to the farmers of country? Chipko movement, white revolution, green revolution, economic revolution. Why so? What is the correct answer? Through which revolution it was introduced in India? Green revolution. What about the other revolution? Chipko movement, it was for the trees. White revolution is for milk, and economic revolution is for the economy purpose, means for the money purpose. Next, question number 10. Multiple cropping refers to cultivation of true crops in alternative row, cultivation more than one crop on the same field each year, cultivating crops and rearing animals on the same farm, and cultivation of wheat and rice. Multiple cropping refers to which of the following option is correct? The correct answer is second. Cultivation more than one crop on the same field each year is called the multiple cropping. This is the correct definition of multiple cropping. Cultivation of true crops in alternative row, wrong. Cultivating crops and rearing animals, this is also wrong कि एक ही फील्ड पर क्रॉप्स और एनिमल्स की रियरिंग करने को हम मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग नहीं कहते हैं, राइट. एंड cultivating of wheat and rice, this is also wrong. Correct answer is cultivation more than one crop on the same field each year. This is called multiple cropping. Next one. Machinery, technology and buildings are examples of capital growth, fixed capital, working capital, investment. Machinery, technology and buildings are examples of capital growth, fixed capital, working capital and investment. What is the correct answer, students? What is the correct answer of this question? Fixed capital. Machinery, technology and buildings are examples of fixed capital. If we once buy machinery, do not require to buy again and again. Same with the technology and same with the buildings. If you build your house, you do not require to build your house again and again. It is for very long lasting. Next, which of the following is a rabi crop? Wheat, rice, maize, cotton. Which of the following is a rabi crop? Answer is wheat. Which of the following is a rabi crop? Wheat. Wheat is a rabi crop. Next, who started green revolution in India? MS Swaminathan, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Mahatma Gandhi, Lakshmi Bain. Who started green revolution in India? Answer is MS Swaminathan. Who started? MS Swaminathan started the green revolution in India. Next, which crop production increased due to green revolution in India? Which crop production increased due to green revolution in India? Wheat, jowar and bajra, oil seeds, wheat and rice. Which production increased? Wheat and rice. Only these two crops got the highest production due to the green revolution, and also in the very few areas. Learn these questions very carefully, students. Next question, dash and dash are fixed factors of production. Dash and dash are fixed factors of production. Land and labor, land and capital, tools and machines, raw material and money in hand. Dash and dash are the fixed factors of production. What is the correct answer? Answer is tools and machinery. Option number 3. Third option is the correct answer, tools and machines. Fixed factor पूछा है ना, तो fixed factor means which do not require to buy again and again, है ना. तो land is fixed but labor is not fixed, तो first option is wrong. Land is fixed but capital, there are two types of capital, तो capital is not given over here. थर्ड वन टूल्स एंड मशीन बोथ आर फिक्स्ड, एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन क्या है आपका रॉ मटेरियल एंड मनी, ये बोथ आर वर्किंग है, तो फिक्स्ड कैपिटल. आंसर इज थर्ड, टूल्स एंड मशीन्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डैश इज अ नेचुरल फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. इन द गिवन ऑप्शंस विच वन इज द नेचुरल फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन? लेबर, मनी इन हैंड, tools and machines, land. Which one is the natural factor of production? So the answer is land. Answer is land. Land is the natural factor of production. Money is not natural, tools and machines are not natural, and labors are not natural, right? The answer is land is the natural factor of production. Next question, to increase farm production in India, what methods are adopted? फार्म प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए इंडिया में कौन से मेथड्स का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? टू इंक्रीज़ फार्म प्रोडक्शन इन इंडिया, व्हाट मेथड्स आर अडॉप्टेड? ऑप्शंस, मॉडर्न फार्मिंग, मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग, बाय इंक्रीजिंग लैंड फॉर फार्मिंग, and last one is modern farming and multiple cropping both. What is the correct option is here? What is the answer of this question? Fourth, last one, modern farming and multiple cropping. Because देखो third one is not right. We cannot take all of them here because increasing land is now not existing in the countries now. मीन्स ज़मीनों को बढ़ाने का काम पहले किया जा सकता था, बट नाउ एज़ पर द कंडीशंस पॉपुलेशन इज़ वेरी हाई, तो लैंड कैन नॉट बी इंक्रीज फॉर फार्मिंग, तो दिस ऑप्शन कैन नॉट बी डन. ओनली मल्टीपल फार्मिंग एंड मॉडर्न क्रॉपिंग, मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग एंड मॉडर्न फार्मिंग इज़ द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ लेबर्स आर देयर? How many types of labor are there? Skilled, unskilled, skilled and unskilled both, and none of these. What is the correct answer? skilled and unskilled both. In everywhere in the world skilled labor भी होती है and unskilled भी होती है. So the skilled and unskilled both of the labors are the types of labor. Next question, how many types of crops are there? How many types of crops are there? Rabi crops, Kharif crops, Zaid crops and all of these. What is the correct option? This is very simple, students. You can give the answer. What is the correct answer? All of these. All these are the different types of crops. Rabi crop, Kharif crops and Zaid crop. So the answer is all of these. Next question, what are the major factors of production? The very important thing of this chapter. What are the major factors of production? Land, labor, capital, land, labor, capital and human resource all. What is the correct answer? Answer is option number 4. Land, labor, capital and human resource. All these are the major factors of production. So students, this is enough for today's quiz and do study in this manner only. Keep doing on study thoroughly chapters, go through the quizzes and learn the different things, read out the chapters thoroughly also. So this is enough for today. Thank you so much and do give me the feedback about this quiz, students, that how you feel, that is it helpful for you or not. Kindly text me personally so that I can know your views also. Thank you so much.